Imagine opening your laptop and earning money from a client sitting thousands of miles away, without going to an office, without traffic, without a boss standing over your head. This is not a future dream. This is happening right now. And the biggest secret behind it is artificial intelligence. In today's video, I'm going to show you how Americans are using AI for freelancing on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and remote job websites, and how this quiet shift is changing the way people earn money forever. If you think AI is only for programmers or tech geniuses, stay with me, because by the end of this video, your entire perspective is going to change. Most people scroll past videos like this, thinking it's just another online income story. But what if I told you that thousands of regular Americans, teachers, stay-at-home moms, college students, retirees, and even people who were laid off from traditional jobs are now using AI tools to create income streams that didn't exist just 2 years ago? They're not working harder, they're working smarter. And they're doing it from their living rooms, coffee shops, and even while traveling. This is exactly why you should not skip a single minute of this video. Before we go deeper, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel AI Income Hub. This channel is all about practical AI income ideas, real freelancing strategies, and smart ways to earn online without hype. Liking and subscribing really helps the channel grow and brings you more videos like this. So take 2 seconds and do that now. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now let's talk about what's really happening in the United States. The American freelancing market has exploded in recent years, especially after remote work became normal. But the real acceleration started when AI tools became easy to use. Tools like ChatGPT, image generators, video editors, voice tools, and automation software changed the rules of the game. Americans quickly realized that they don't need to be experts anymore. They just need to know how to use AI correctly. On platforms like Fiverr, Americans are offering services that look extremely advanced from the outside. Things like writing blog posts, creating social media content, designing logos, editing videos, managing emails, building resumes, and even customer support. But behind the scenes, many of them are using AI to do 60 to 80% of the work. The human role is now about creativity, judgment, and communication, not manual effort. Let me give you a simple example. A freelancer in Florida offers blog writing services on Fiverr. Her profile looks professional, her English is clear, and her delivery is fast. She charges $50 to $100 per article. What most clients don't realize is that she uses AI to generate the first draft in minutes. Then she edits it, adds personality, checks facts, and delivers a polished final version. What used to take 5 hours now takes 45 minutes. That extra time becomes extra income. This pattern repeats again and again across different categories. On Upwork, Americans are winning high-paying contracts by positioning themselves as problem solvers, not tool users. Clients don't care how the work is done, they care about results. And AI helps freelancers deliver those results faster and better. Another major area is remote jobs. Many Americans now work for companies that don't even have physical offices. These roles include virtual assistants, content managers, AI prompt specialists, research assistants, and customer experience coordinators. In many of these jobs, AI is silently doing the heavy lifting. Emails are drafted with AI. Reports are summarized with AI. Meeting notes are generated with AI. The worker becomes more productive, and companies love that day. What's interesting is the mindset difference. Americans who succeed with AI freelancing don't ask, "Will AI replace me?" Instead, they ask, "How can AI make me more valuable?" This shift in thinking is the real advantage. They see AI as a partner, not a threat. Storytelling plays a big role in freelancing success. Many American freelancers tell their personal story on their profiles. They talk about how they help clients save time, reduce stress, and grow their businesses. AI helps them deliver on those promises. For example, a freelancer offering social media management might use AI to generate post ideas, captions, and hashtags, but she still decides the final strategy, tone, and brand voice. Clients feel understood, and that's why they keep coming back. Another powerful trend is speed. American clients value fast turnaround times. AI allows freelancers to deliver work in hours instead of days. This leads to better reviews, higher rankings on platforms, and more repeat clients. On Fiverr, this can mean reaching level 2 or top-rated seller status much faster than before. Now, let's talk about money, because that's what everyone really wants to know. Many Americans using AI for freelancing are not charging less, they are charging more. Why? Because they focus on value, not effort. When you can deliver high-quality work quickly, you can take on more clients or offer premium services. Some freelancers bundle AI-powered services into monthly packages, creating predictable income. For example, an American freelancer might offer a monthly content package for $1,000. This includes blog posts, social media updates, and email newsletters. AI helps generate drafts, ideas, and outlines, while the freelancer focuses on strategy and editing. This kind of setup creates stability and reduces the stress of chasing new clients every week. Some other area where Americans are using AI is proposal writing on Upwork. Writing proposals used to be time-consuming and exhausting. Now, freelancers use AI to create customized proposals in minutes. They still personalize them, but the heavy thinking is done faster. This means they can apply to more jobs without burning out. What's important to understand is that successful AI freelancers don't blindly copy and paste AI output. They refine it. They add human touch. They understand client needs. That's why they stand out. AI is the engine, but the freelancer is still the driver. There's also a strong learning culture. Many Americans continuously experiment with new AI tools. They test what works, what saves time, and what improves quality. This curiosity keeps them ahead of the competition. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork reward freelancers who adapt quickly. As we move forward in this video, you'll see how ordinary people with no technical background are building serious income streams using AI, and how you can apply the same principles. Stay with me, because in the next part, we'll dive deeper into specific AI tools, real freelancing workflows, and the exact strategies Americans use to stay booked month after month. Remember, if you're finding value in this content, drop a like and make sure you're subscribed to AI Income Hub. This channel exists to help you understand AI income opportunities in a simple, practical way. In part 2, things are going to get even more interesting, more detailed, and more actionable.